Don't be trying this at home. Don't try this at home. Well, bring the bags if you're going. Throwing nice ferries. Thank you.
He does this kind of shit to me all the time on road trips. I put the GoPro down the side and then I climbed up the crevice. I did suffer a casualty though. This is, hey kids, don't go climbing. This might happen to you. Kids, this is your body on climbing. Don't be trying this at home. Don't try this at home. That was awesome. Man, if I had my bouldering shoes on, I swear I would have summoned that whole thing. Sit. Sit. You gotta sit in there. I'm not trying to sit. Yeah. All the way down. Yeah. All the way down. Now the next time it'll be easier. Now it'll feel like it's warm. Now it'll feel like it's warm. No, now it's... Oh, we did. Go on, there you go. I didn't like that first little slippage. Michael, I'm sure they're not happy with going. Well, they probably weren't happy with me going over the falls either. So see if you can see any lift lines or anything in this area, because that would be Priest Creek would be the furthest one over, and the old St. Pat's is like in here, but past not this ridge, over the other ridge. Yeah, coming down in there, yes. In that area. Yes.